Want this?
First, select the type tool, and then type your text wherever you want it on the screen. Set its position and choose a font you prefer. Next, go to the Effects panel and add the Transform effect to the text layer. Let's trim the text layer a little just so it's easier to follow. Then, in the Effect Controls panel, add a keyframe on position and move it slightly downward. Move forward a few frames, and reset it back. Now select both keyframes, right-click, go to Temporal Interpolation, and choose Ease In. Do the same thing again, and this time select Ease Out. Next, go to the Graph option, and adjust the graph to smooth out the movement. Now move to the middle point and add a keyframe on opacity. Then go all the way back to the start and set the opacity to 0. Move forward a few frames again, and you'll see the text gradually become visible. After that, go to Motion and use the Crop Right option to crop up to the first text. Then go to the middle keyframe and create a duplicate of the layer. Select the duplicated layer and move forward a few frames until the text becomes visible. Now use Crop Right again until the next text appears, and then use Crop Left to trim away the extra text. Next, go back to the middle frame and create another duplicate of this layer. Move forward a few frames until the text becomes visible again, use Crop Right to reveal the last text, and then use Crop Left to remove the extra portion. Finally, expand the remaining layers all the way to the last layer. And that's it. Your effect is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials. Thanks for watching.